For the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, come to this search engine right here and type in the font. Then go ahead and hit enter, and in a few seconds it's take you to this particular web page right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. Now you are here in the official web page of the font free font. So here you can get as many as possible fonts of your choice. You can come to the top right here and search font by category. Let's say I want something like under the choice section. So you have all available fonts in the choice section. So if you do not like any of the fonts right here, I'm going to get on the modern options right here. So if you do not like this as well, then go on and check on different types of fonts right here. So I'm going to go ahead and check on this. So I do not like this also. I'll go back here and check on this. I'm going to go ahead and simply download this particular one right here, the retro font. So for you to download, first thing first, come to the download button right here. Go ahead and hit on download, and this is going to pop up. It's going to be downloaded as a WinRAR zip file. Go ahead and hit on save right here. Successfully download right here, so you can download as many as possible. So just like what you see right here, the retro font, and it has been successfully downloaded right here. After we have successfully downloaded the font, next thing we want to do is to minimize our web browser, and then we want to see how we can unzip the file and how we can install the font in our PC and how we can use it in our Illustrator 2025. Let's find out. First thing first, you have to come to the window environment right here. Right click on it, click on new, click on folder, then come down below right here and type font and hit enter. So once you create empty folder, next thing we want to do is to open up another folder. Then we have to make sure we navigate to our download folder. Then we have the zip folder of the font we just downloaded on the web. Next thing we want to do right here, so right click on the zip folder. Then we go ahead and click on extract all. Then we have to make sure we click on browse right here. Navigate to desktop. Go ahead and select your font folder. Select folder. Then come down below right here, click on extract. And in a few seconds, this window here is going to pop up, showing you that the font has been completely extracted, both the license of the font, the PNG of the font, and the font file. This is what we need right here. Next thing we want to do is to see how we can install this font into our PC before we can use it in our Illustrator 2025. For that, double click on the font file. This is going to pop up. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we click on install. In a few seconds, the font is going to be installed successfully into our PC. Now, the next thing we want to do is to see how we can use this font in our Illustrator 2025. For that, bring out your Illustrator software. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to your type tool. Having selected your type tool, come to the workspace right here and type in whatever you want to type. The retro demo. Then we can press Ctrl A to highlight them. We can go ahead and increase the font size right here. So everything depends on the size you are looking at. Next thing we want to do now is to see how we can use the font. So go ahead and click on here and make sure you search for the font. So the font name is the retro. So just like so, we have the font right here. Go ahead and select on it, and it automatically be reflected in our Illustrator right here. So we can go on and increase the font size. We can also switch. Let's see, it's only regular available for the font right here. It's that simple. So this is how to install custom font in your Illustrator 2025. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.